Artificial intelligence is evolving rapidly, and while we often hear about OpenAI's ChatGPT or Google's Gemini, a new player has entered the field, DeepSeek R1 from China. This AI model has stunned experts worldwide because it's highly efficient, cost-effective, and open source. Unlike ChatGPT or Gemini, DeepSeek R1 wasn't developed by a giant tech company. Instead, it started as a side project by a Chinese hedge fund called H-Fund. The fund originally used spare nvidia GPUs from its stock market trading operations to experiment with AI. What began as a small initiative has now become one of the most talked about AI models in the world. So, why is DeepSeek R1 getting so much attention? Let's break it down in simple terms. DeepSeek R1 was trained for just $6 million, compared to GPT-4's $100 million and Gemini's $200 million, proving that high-quality AI doesn't require massive budgets. Being open source, it allows developers and businesses to use, modify, and improve it freely. Unlike its predecessor, DeepSeek R10, which relied only on reinforcement learning, R1 combines reinforcement and supervised learning for better accuracy and language understanding. DeepSeek R1's release on January 25, the same day as Donald Trump's presidential swearing-in, is seen as a strategic move by China to highlight its AI progress amid global attention on US politics. Despite US sanctions in 2023 restricting NVIDIA's high-end chips, DeepSeek R1 was trained using these GPUs before the restrictions took full effect, proving China's AI capabilities remain strong. DeepSeek R1's success could significantly change how AI is developed and used worldwide. Its cost-effectiveness shows that AI doesn't have to be an expensive game played only by billion-dollar companies. More startups, independent researchers, and even small businesses could now experiment with and improve AI without requiring a massive budget. The open-source nature of DeepSeek R1 also means that AI development could become more decentralized. Instead of just a few companies controlling access to powerful AI models, developers around the world can now contribute to making AI smarter and more efficient. Despite all the excitement, some experts are skeptical about whether DeepSeek R1 can truly compete with models like GPT-4 and Gemini. While its training efficiency is impressive, it remains to be seen how well it performs in real-world applications. Some AI researchers believe that DeepSeek R1 may still lag in certain areas, such as complex reasoning and long-form content generation. With such a powerful AI model being freely available, there could be risks related to misinformation, AI-generated content abuse, and security threats. DeepSeek R1 is a major disruptor in the AI world, proving that high-quality AI can be developed at a much lower cost. Its open-source accessibility makes it a game-changer for AI startups, researchers, and developers who previously couldn't afford to access advanced AI models. However, one thing is certain, AI is evolving faster than ever, and no one can afford to ignore the impact of DeepSeek R1. What do you think? Will DeepSeek leave ChatGPT behind? Let us know your thoughts. Meet you with another exciting topic. Goodbye.